Good morning, children. My name is B. Ravinder Reddy. I am your chemistry mentor. We are at what gaseous state. In that gaseous state, up to we completed how many lectures? So we completed up to ideal gas equation, lecture number 11. Up to 11 lectures we completed ideal gas equation. Now we what goes into problems which are related ideal gas equation. Depending upon the ideal gas equation, which type of problems will be asked in our examinations, let me discuss. Okay, children, first problem. A sample of nitrogen occupies a volume of 320 cc at STP. Calculate its volume at 546.3 Kelvin and zero point 0.5 tar pressure. Zero point 0.5 watt, not this is the bar pressure, okay. 0.5 bar pressure. So how we will calculate? So a sample of nitrogen occupies a volume of 320 cc at STP. So this is the what volume. V1 is equal to what? 320 cc at STP. STP means what? Temperature is what? 273 degree Kelvin, and what pressure is what? 1 atmosphere pressure. So this is what? Bars. So in bars, how much pressure is present? 1 bar pressure. Okay. At STP conditions, pressure is also 1 bar. Next one, uh, calculate its volume. So V2 is equal to asked at what? T2 is 546.3 degree Kelvin, and what pressure is what? 0.5 bars pressure. So by using which equation we can solve? So we have what? P1 V1 by T1 is equal to P2 V2 by T2. So this is the principle. P1 is how much? 1. V1 how much? 320. Divided by T1 is how much? 273. Is equal to P2 is how much? 0.5 bars. Then V2 is how much? We should find out X. Then what is T2? T2 is what? 546.3 degree Kelvin. 546.3 degree Kelvin. Now, so approximately 273 to the 546. So X is equal to how much we will get? 2 will send to this side. 320 into 2 divided by what? 0.5. So 0.5 4 ja 2. So is equal to what? X is equal to what? 320. X is equal to what? 320. Sorry, here small mistake. So 0.54 ja what? 2. 0.54 ja 2. So that's why X will be what? X is equal to 4 zeros 0, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12. 1280 what? Centimeter cube, because here what volume is given in cc, so that's why 1280 centimeter cube. 1 mole of pure, here 1 mole of pure dinitrogen gas at STP conditions was put into a vessel of volume 24.8 centimeter cube, maintained at the temperature of 596.3 degree Kelvin. What is the pressure of the gas in the vessel? So 1 mole of pure dinitrogen is present at what? SATP conditions. SATP conditions. At SATP conditions, 1 mole of gas is present. What is the volume of 1 mole of gas? It is what? 24.8 liters, or 24.8 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meter cube. 24.8 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meter cube. Okay na? That will be the what? Volume. So decimeter cube, nothing but. So P1 is equal to how much? 1 bar is given. 1 bar. P1 is equal to 1 bar is 1 bar at STP conditions. T1 is equal to what? 298.15 degree Kelvin. T1 is equal to what? 298.15 degree Kelvin. Now, what at given conditions, it is what placed in what? V2 volume is what? 24.8 meter cube. 24.8 what? Meter cube. Next one, P2 is how much? P2 is what? Is asked what? P2 value. So X you can take. T2 is how much? At 596.3 degree Kelvin. At 596.3 degree Kelvin. Then how we will solve? By using which principle we can solve? So by using P1 V1 by T1 is equal to P2 V2 by T2. So P1 is how much? P1 V1 by T1 is equal to what? P2 V2 by T2. P1 is how much? 1 bar. V1 is how much? 24.8 into 10 to the power of minus 3. T1 is how much? 298.15 is equal to P2 is how much? X into V2 is how much? 24.8. V2 is how much? 24.8 meter cube. So next one, T2 is how much? 596.3. So 248, 24.8 and 24.8 get cancelled. 298 2 ja 596. So x is equal to 2 will comes to this side. 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3. X is what? Pressure. Pressure units are what? Bar. So that's why here we should write what? Bar. So this is the what? Pressure of that gas. A sample of gas occupies a volume of 320 centimeter cube at STP. Calculate its volume at 66 degrees centigrade and 0.825 atmosphere pressure. So given are what? Occupies a volume of 320. V1 is equal to what? 320 cc. Then P1 is equal to how much? STP conditions 1 atmosphere. T1 is how much? 273.15 degree Kelvin. Then V2 is what? Calculate its volume X. Then P2 is how much? 0.825 atmospheres, same units. So while we are calculating the problem, so we should what? Concentrate on what? Same units must be present. So T2 is equal to what? 66 degrees centigrade, means 66 plus 273. How much we will get? 9. 6 plus 7 13. So 339 what we will get. Now what is the principle we are going to use? So P1 V1 by T1 is equal to what? P2 V2 by what? T2. P1 V1 by T1 is equal to P2 V2 by T2. P1 is how much? 1. V1 is how much? 320. Divided by T1 is how much? 273.15 is equal to P2 is how much? 0.825 into V2 is how much? We should find out. Divided by T2 is how much? 339. Now X is equal to what we will get? 339 comes to here. So 339 into 320 divided by 0.825 sent to this side. So that's why come to what? Downside 0.825. So if you solve this one, you will get what? 482. What you will get? 482 what? Centimeter cube, because here centimeters are there. So that's why 482 centimeter cube answer we will get. Determine the value of gas constant R when pressure is expressed in torrs and volume in decimeter cube. Volume in what? Decimeter cube. So pressure what? Expressed in torrs. So what we have relation? So 1 atmosphere is equal to 1.01325 bars or what? 760 torr. 760 torrs. Now and pressure expressed in torrs and volume in decimeter cube. Volume in what? Decimeter cube. Volume is equal to what? In decimeter cube. So 1 mole of gas. 1 mole of gas what? Volume in decimeter cube is how much? 1 mole of volume. 1 mole of gas volume in decimeter cube is what? 22.711 decimeter cube. It is nothing but what? 22.711 liters. So now what we have? Relation PV is equal to NTR. PV is equal to what? NTR. R is equal to what? PV by NT. So pressure should be present in what? Bars. Pressure should be present in what? Bars. So here what? Bar. So pressure is what? Given in bars, we should convert into torrs. Pressure is given what? In bars, we know what this relation. So 1.01325 bars is equal to what? 760 torrs. 760 torrs. Then 1 bar is equal to how much? 760 by 1.760 by 1.01325 into what is V? V is what? Volume 22.711 divided by, so number of moles of the gas we take what? 1 into T is how much? Temperature is what? How much? 273 0.15 degree Kelvin. Why we consider 273.15 degree Kelvin? Because at STP conditions 1 mole of gas, at STP conditions 1 mole of gas occupies this much of volume. 1 mole of gas occupies this much of volume. So that's why we considered what this 22.711 decimeter cube. Then so if we solve this one, we will get as what 62.36 torrs decimeter cube per degree Kelvin per mole. Per degree Kelvin per mole we will get. At 25 degrees centigrade and 760 mm of Hg pressure, a gas occupies 600 ml of volume. What will be its pressure at height where temperature is 10 degrees centigrade and volume of the gas is 640 ml? So here what at 25 degrees centigrade, so T1 is given as what 25 degrees centigrade, so 25 plus 273. P1 is given as what 760 mm. Gas occupies V1 is equal to what 600 ml. What will be its pressure? So P2 is equal to how much? Height where the temperature is what 10 degrees centigrade, so T2 is equal to 10 plus 273. Then volume is equal to what we got as what 640 ml. Volume is what, and volume of the gas is 640 ml. So now let what we have principle P1 V1 by T1 is equal to P2 V2 by T2. P1 is how much 760, V1 is how much 600, divided by T1 is how much 25 plus 273 298 is equal to P2 is how much we should find out. V2 is how much 640 divided by T2 is how much 10 plus 273 283. So now what this 283 will comes to here 760 into 600 into 283 divided by 298, 640 comes to here, so 640 is equal to x. So now you what solve this one simple mathematical what calculation, you will get as a answer as 676.6 answer you will get. What are the units here? Pressure units are millimeters, so that's why this is also millimeters of Hg. Millimeters of Hg. A drain cleaner Drainex contains small bits of aluminum pieces which reacts with caustic soda NaOH to form hydrogen gas. Okay, hydrogen gas is released by the reaction of what? Aluminum with NaOH. What volume of hydrogen at 20 degrees centigrade and 1 bar will be released when 0.5 grams of aluminum is reacts? 0.5 grams of what? Aluminum is reacted. What are the given conditions aluminum is reacts with this one? What volume of hydrogen? What volume of hydrogen at 20 degrees centigrade? T is equal to what? 20 plus 273. At 1 bar pressure, P is equal to what? 1 bar pressure will be released when 0.15 grams of aluminum is reacts. So weight is given. Weight is equal to what? 0.15 grams. So that's why we should convert into number of moles. Weight by gram molecular weight. So 0.15 divided by what? 27. 0.15 divided by what? 27. 0.15 divided by 27. So this is the what? Number of moles. So what we have? PV is equal to what? NTR. What is asked? Volume. NTR by what? P. So N is how much? Number of moles. So 0.15 divided by what? 27 into T is how much? 293 into R value what we should take? This is pressure is present in bars. Pressure is present in bars. So that's why we take as what? How much? What volume? How much we will take? 0.083 bars per liter per degree Kelvin per mole. Bars liters per degree Kelvin per mole. So this one, so what R value. Next one, so T value substituted. Okay. Pressure is how much at 1 bar. This 1 bar. So that's why what you will get if you solve this one, you will get as what? 0.20282. What you will get as what? 20282 what liters you will get or 202.82 milliliters we will get. 202.82 milliliters we will get. So 34th problem, the temperature at the foot of mountain is 30 degrees centigrade. Foot of mountain temperature is how much? 30 degrees centigrade. And pressure is 760. So T1 P1 is equal to what? 760 mm of Hg, whereas the top of the mountain the temperatures are what? 0 degrees centigrade. So 0 plus 273, here also 30 plus 273. And pressure is what? P2 is what? 710 mm, 710 millimeters of H. Compare the densities of air at the foot and top of the mountain. So what we have? We have what? Principle dirty PM. Dirty what? PM. So here what? R is constant. R is what? Constant. R is constant, and the same gas molecular weight is also constant. So D is proportional to P. So D1 T1 by D2 T2 is equal to what? P1 by P2. D1 is how much? Compare. We should compare. So that's why D1 by D2 is equal to what? P1 T2 divided by this one P2 T1. P2 T1. So how much we will get? D1 by D2 is equal to P1 is how much? 760 into T2 is how much? This is T2. 273 divided by what? P2 is how much? 710 into T1 is how much? 30 plus 273, 303. So you will get as what? D1 by D2. D1 by D2 ratio is what? How much you will get? You will get 0.964 is to 1. So 0.964 is to 1 you will get. That means what? D1 by D2 is equal to what? 0.964 is to 1 you will get. This is the what answer. A density of certain gaseous oxide is gaseous oxide at 1.5 bar. So pressure is what? 1.5 bar pressure and 20 degrees centigrade. C1 is equal to 20 plus 273 is same. So density is what? D1 is equal to, if you consider D, as that of what? Dioxygen. As that of what? Dioxygen. So oxygen, here what gas name is given, means what? We should use what? Molecular weight if it is necessary. At 10 degrees centigrade. So T2 is equal to what? 10 degrees centigrade. 10 plus 273 and 4.5 bars pressure. So P2 is equal to what? 4.5 bars pressure. Calculate molar mass of that gaseous oxide. So first gaseous oxide M1 is equal to how much is asked? M1 is equal to X is asked. So here you can take what? M2 value is what? Oxygen. 16 to the 32. Densities are same. So D2 is equal to what? D. Densities are same is given. What is the principle? P1 V1 by, here what in this case? D1 T1. D1 T1 by D2 T2. So D1 T1 by D1 T1 by D2 T2 is equal. D1 T1 by D2 T2 is equal. What we will get? P1 by P2. P1 by P2 we will get. So sorry, here more molecular weights we should what applies. So now we have what? Dirty PM principle. DRT is equal to what? PM. Here R is constant, so DT is proportional to what? PM. So D1 T1 by D2 T2 is equal to what? P1 M1 divided by P2 M2. Okay na? These densities are what? Same. D into T1 is how much? T1 is what? 293 divided by T2 is how much? 283 is equal to P1 is how much? 1.5. M1 is how much? X divided by P2 is how much? 4.5. M2 is how much? 32. 1.5 3 is what? 4.5. So dt gets cancelled. So X is equal to what we will get? 3 into 32 will comes to here. 3 into 32 into this one is what? 293 divided by this is what? 283. So X value you will get as a, so X value you will get that is what? X value you got as what? 99.39 grams per mole. 99 point what? 39 grams per mole. So this one what we will get as what? So answer, that is molar mass of the gaseous oxide. The density of a gas is found to be 5.46 grams per decimeter cube at 27 degrees centigrade and 2 bar pressure. what will be its density at STP? What will be its density at what? STP conditions. So now conditions are what? Gas is found to be 5.46 decimeter cube. So D is equal to what? 5.46 grams per decimeter cube, D1, at 27 degrees centigrade. So 27 plus 273. Pressure is what? 2 bars pressure. What will be its density at STP? STP conditions density is asked, D2. So T2 is what? STP, standard temperature is what? 273.15 degree Kelvin. Pressure is what? 1 atmosphere pressure. So what we have? P1 by D1 T1 is equal to what? P2 by D2 T2 principal. P1 is what? 2 divided by D1 is how much? 5.46 into T1 is how much? 27 plus 273, 303 is equal to P2 is how much? 1 divided by D2 what? X into what? T2 is what? 273.15. Now X will comes to here, this will goes to here. 5.46 into 303 divided by 273.15 into 2. So that's why X value, the water, the density of the gas, the density of the gas you will what? Get as what? 3. What are the units? Grams per decimeter cube. Grams per decimeter cube. So this is the what about the answer related to what this question. Students, some more questions are also there upon this concept, so we will do in what? Next class. Okay, good night children.